What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube with a small channel. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, making money on YouTube with a small channel. So I have just over 2,500 subscribers now, and I have made over $5,000. Now there's a few different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you the way that I have done this and where the bulk of that $5,000 has come, because I do have a few different income streams when it comes to YouTube, but I'm going to show you my main one. Now, two of the main ways that you can go around this is to do affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel. So no matter what niche you are in, it could be gardening, fitness, make money online, any niche, you just want to find products to match your audience. Now, there's three good places you could go for affiliate offers. One is Warrior Plus. This is completely free to sign up, and once you've made so many commissions, they send you instant PayPal commissions straight to your PayPal. So this is one of the best places you could go for affiliate offers. The second one is JVZoo, another one where they send you PayPal commissions, which is awesome, and you can find some really good products on here to match your audience. Then, as you know, you've probably heard of this one, which is ClickBank, one of the biggest marketplaces out there, but you can find products on ClickBank to match your audience. So that's the one of the best ways that you can do this, and the good thing about this is it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, because we're not trying to get AdSense money straight away, or if you can't get AdSense money, then doing affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel is a great way to go around this. Now, the second way, which I have done, is build a course that matches your audience. Now, you're probably thinking that building a course is really hard, but it's not at all. Now, depending on your niche will depend on how you're going to create it. I made my course all about low content books, because I was talking a lot about low content books and people were asking if I had a course, so I created it. And the easiest way for me to do that was just to record my screen. I wrote down in a document all the actions you would have to take from start to finish to get results with low content books, and then I turned each one of them into a module and created a course just by recording my screen. And then I hosted it, and I still have it hosted over here on Gumroad, which you can do completely for free. They'll just take a little cut of your profits or a little cut of your revenue when you sell a course. So let's have a look at my analytics for my course. As you can see, this is from the 9th of January till the 25th of March, and what's that? That's around 3 months now, and I have generated $5,000. So as we can see here, my course does have some really good days, then some days it doesn't sell at all, but overall I have made $5,000 from one income stream from my YouTube channel, and I don't even have that many subscribers. So selling some kind of informational product, whether it's an ebook or a course, is one of the best ways that you can make money with a small YouTube channel. That and affiliate marketing. Now, I don't do much affiliate marketing on my channel. I'm focused more on sending traffic to my own product. So if you have a small YouTube channel and you're not too sure what to do, have a look, think about what niche you're in, and think whether it would be easier for you to create a product or do affiliate marketing. And hands down, I reckon having your own product is one of the best things you can do, or just do both. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.